Yo, chat, what's good? What's poppin', man? How we all doing? Welcome back, chat. Welcome back. What's good? Good morning, everyone. We are out here. What's good? Come say hi. What's good, Kata? What's good, FX Viking, Crypto Maniac, Barzo? What's good, Noodle Holtz? What's good, man? What's poppin'? How we doing, chat? So, yo, what's good, Levi? Good, everyone. All right, cool. All right. What's good, High Life, Humsey, Adam? How we all doing? Welcome back to the streams, chat. Now, look. I'm not gonna lie, chat. Last night I was hunting for some buys down here, but oh no way. Yo, if we waited for a little bit longer, Kata, we would have caught this shit 100%, bro. Holy. We would have caught that shit. Alright, what's good, Badog? Rentarox, what's good? Yeah, chat, great. So listen, a lot of potential today. Welcome back to the Monday streams. It's a new week, new opportunities. Yeah, man, it's a very, very exciting time. I'm super excited for this week. Should be a good one. Look, let's lock in here, see what we can do. Let's get into the analysis. So, if my camera or if TradingView will load and decide not to freeze. The real question is, why am I so... I guess I can bring that forward a little bit. Is that better? Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, chat, the weekly time frame has come down first to grab a bottom wick. Now, oh shit, yes, the tape... Oh, okay. So do we have an earlier 4-hour closure now? That is interesting, bro. What's happening to my trading view? It's literally frozen. Yeah, so 30 minutes chat to the 4-hour close. Wow, interesting. I swear trading view's like experiencing some issues. But anyway, daily came down for a bottom wick first. So did the weekly. Again, it's... Punch it, chat. No, I'm joking. But look, if my trading view is gonna actually work here, close it fully and reopen. Wait, I'll do that in a sec. But yeah, look, the daily's come down to grab a bottom wick. As we just saw, the 4 hours pushing down as well. We jump to the 1 hour here in about a month's time. But yeah, chat, let me restart trading view because that is annoying. You got a bit of a wide angle now. You can see me. You can see around me a little bit more. The only problem is this window puts so much light from the background that you can't really see me. You know what I mean? Bit tough. Alright, are we back? Right now I just don't even have a chart. Why is TradingView doing this? What's good, Chris? Good morning. What's good, LASIK? What's good, Scott? JJ, how are we all doing? I thought my internet was too bad to load the new time frames. Yeah, I know, bro. Oh, F4? I just did that. I just closed it down and restarted. Alright, here we are. Okay. So chat, I'm going to stick on the 1 hour for a little bit just so I don't have to deal with this issue. But you are ripping down here. Wow. Okay. Interesting. So, with that being said, chat, let's look at our levels here. Realistically, we did close above where we would look to close for buys, which would be 27.39. So if you can close back above there again, maybe even back above... Yeah, actually, we're going to look up here. 27.41. Anything above there, you should be clean to take buys above. And then, yeah, realistically as well, you do have a level here at 27.38. Obviously, since we're, below there right now, we can just wait for a little bit to put that in. I would say if we were going to look for sells, though, I guess you could look below this area here. However, like your overall range is somewhere down here. It's very, very choppy in this range. I actually hate this range that we're in. I think it's one of the most choppy ranges we've been in a while, right? But technically, you do have room till 27.27, right? is where you have room until. Not that we're going to come down and tap that necessarily, but yeah, realistically, that's probably where you've got room until now. I would say also, you got to stream NY 1 hour earlier. Oh yeah, I will do. But yeah, so sorry, if you close like this right now on the 1 hour, you realistically should push down. I believe the 4 hour has just flipped. It can load. This is tough. What's good, Sizzo? Is it always raining over there? Do you guys always get? Do you guys ever get clear sunny skies? Actually, right now it's raining and sunny. So, all right. 4 hour hasn't actually flipped yet, but if it does flip and you close below 27.32, you could take some sells to continue back down to fill this wick on the daily time frame. Especially since we've come up now towards the flip, grab some liquidity. The fact that we rejected off of this level here indicates to me that we probably need to continue a little bit further down. As for the 4 hour level, it would be 27.39 if we're looking for buys. But yeah, that's obviously very, very unlikely right now. So I guess what we're looking for here in about 22 minutes is the 4 hour close. See what we're going to do, whether we're going to close above or below the level. If we do close below, like I said, chat, we can look to take some sells. But yeah, for right now, we'll have to wait and see, to be honest. We'll have to wait and see. Zero less wardrobe in the back? Yeah, maybe. Soon. What's good, Madri? Are there any super cool people in the chat that watch the new vlog? If so, if yes, I think that you're the coolest person ever. I appreciate that, Madri. Yeah, chat, the new vlog's out. If you haven't watched it, make sure you do. I think it's a killer vlog. I'm super happy with it. But look, let's lock it in. It's a new week, Monday morning right now. Very, very excited for us to begin this week together and lock in on the charts. So yeah, chat, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like, make sure you subscribe if you're new. And let's get some positions today. I feel like there's a lot of potential right now. Just gotta wait a little bit of time here, but there's so much potential. So much. Good, Malenko. I'm very, very good. How are you? Good, Max, as well. Oh yeah, I don't want to stream NY another hour earlier. A lamp LED light, the one that looks like a stick, would look fire. Yeah, like I want to get one. You can't see it, but yeah, I do actually want to get one. Bro, when I've been filming my course, I've been filming it at night. I wish the streams were at nighttime because this room is so aesthetic at night. I have lights on this wall here, and then I have also a lamp back there. When you turn them on, it looks so sick. But obviously, like it's first thing in the morning right now. It doesn't really work. Hey chat, you pushed down here and did actually flip on the 4 hour. Tint the windows, yeah, true actually. You pushed down and did actually flip, but now you are pushing back up a little bit. So the question is, can we continue down here and see ourselves come and close bearish on the 4 hour? Because if you close like weak bullish here, it's a little bit difficult for us to trade. 5 minutes been pushing down very, very strongly for the past, I don't know, 15 minutes here. But you did just close respecting right now. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see how we close here. Blacked out my bedroom windows. Bro. Nah, you gotta get sunlight in the morning. It's like the best thing for you. Should I get a risky buy around here? Nah, bro. Wait for the closure. Wait for the closure. Can't wait for the week. We have some folders. Yeah, we have some red folders this week, which is good. So you should have some volume, right? It's important. Look, we're starting to reject off of 27.31 here, which is obviously an area that we have rejected in the past numerous times. So you might start to push up a little bit from here. Yeah, it was a little bit tricky last night. We pushed up without actually any bottom wick here on the 1 hour. I was looking for the buys here, but we actually ended up just pushing up regardless and then continued to rip down. Yeah, it was difficult. Morning, SG. How was your weekend? Yeah, Dan, it was good, thank you. It was good. How about you? Actually, chat, how was your weekend? How was your weekend, chat? Because What'd you get up to? I always like to see. Interesting how different people spend their weekends. Alright, but look, you got 3 minutes here to the 15-minute close, so what are we going to do here? That's the real question. It's nice weather in the Netherlands, so just relax a little bit. Nice, bro. Good stuff. Yeah, it's tough in Europe, bro. It's still sunny. Like, everyone I know who's still in who's in Europe is always saying like, yeah, it's still pretty much summer. My girl's in Italy. She's like, yeah, it's like 30 degrees here or like 20 degrees or whatever. And I'm here in the UK, like, it's cold, it's raining, it's foggy. Such classic UK weather. Chill with friends who did nothing, basically. Ah, that's good, Levi. It's a good weekend, man. Chilling with friends, doing nothing. Friday I went out, did a little party, not gonna lie. Saturday smashed some chest, had a cheat meal. Yesterday full leg workout. Then after that, cleaned the hell out of the house. Bro, that's an interesting weekend, my bro. It's busy. You fit a lot in, eh? Good shit. Is a 4-hour candle closing in 20 minutes? Bit confused with the time change. Yeah, so how it works is like Europe and the UK and all of that has changed time now. So we pushed our time back. No. Forward. Wait, one of them. Back, right? Yeah. Okay. So we pushed our time back, but America hasn't changed their time yet. So there's like a discrepancy now. It's like a 1 hour difference to what it normally is. So like when obviously normally it's like 10 o'clock, which is the 4-hour close. Now it's 9 o'clock for me. You just have to think an hour earlier, but it's only until the 5th. Yeah. It's election day as well. Why is my chart frozen? Good morning, Other Dan. What's good? Good morning, Jeez. It's been a while. Hope you all had a great weekend. Make it green this week. Yes, sir. Hope you're good, man. Hope you're good, brother. Yeah, chat. So we're pushing down here. You've got essentially, what, 15 closure here in a minute's time. And obviously after that, in 15 minutes after that, you've got the 4-hour close. So that's probably going to be the most important closure of the session. Very important to watch that and see how we close on that 4-hour time frame. I'm really excited to see how we close here. Because obviously you've grabbed a lot of liquidity on the 4-hour. I don't want to switch to it just yet, but grabbed a lot of liquidity. Walking on the beach with a Aperitivo for Sunday. Lunch full summer. Bro. Data, that's crazy. Aperitivo, so you're in Italy, right? That's sad, man. I mean, it's not sad, I'm just jealous. I'm gonna have to go for a trip soon, I reckon. Yeah, like, what's the temperature in Milan right now? Oh, let's do Rome. Bro, see, look, it's gonna be 25 degrees today in Rome. And now let's do London. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Alright, chat. So look, 15-minute closed here, respecting the level. You are essentially now going to decide on this 15-minute candle whether or not we're going to push down or up here. Because obviously, as this 15 closes, so with a 4-hour. And yeah. Lovely weather you've got there, SG. I know, bro. I know, it's tough. Making it very difficult to chart up here, though, chat, because I can't switch between time frames. Like, you know, we like to switch between time frames very often. When are you going to hang your shorts by color? My OCD is acting up. Oh, my shirt's by color, yeah. Kind of are a little bit. Like, I got black ones on that side, colored ones over here. But I don't know. I'm not really too bothered about that. Again and close it and open it again. All right, one sec. I'll try to close it and open it again because this is tough. Oh, you're on the browser. Maybe I should go on the browser. I hate the browser. Okay, that's a bit more promising. It loaded up a little bit faster. Oh, yes. Oh, that's very nice. W. What chart you on? Mine's choppy as hell. You gotta go on FXCM, bro. Just type in XAUUSD and then go to FXCM because Xauusd is, yeah, not the best. It is this one here. But look at this, chat. You're tapping into the level here on the 4-hour and rejecting. So realistically, you might see a continuation up here. I'm not saying that you will, but you are starting to reject. And yeah, at this point, we need to see a closure below if we're going to grab anything on the 4-hour. Otherwise, I'm most likely going to have to wait until we see either something below 27.29 or coming back up, you know, closing bullish on like a 30-minute or a 1-hour. FNAM, W, my man, come back with the freshest mind ever. Let's go. Hey, good stuff, FNAM. Good stuff, man. Welcome back. Hopefully, yeah, you cleared your mind, locked in now. That's great to see. Good stuff. Oh. Yeah, chat. Listen, it's been a great month so far. Let's just try and finish off strong here. We've got so much stuff in the works for you guys. I've literally been non-stop grinding this course. All these lessons for the course coming out soon, which is just insane. Chat, I spent 3 hours last night recording 2 episodes. Literally lasted, you know, like an hour each. Insane. And then we got the playbook coming. Obviously got vlogs, etc, etc, etc. So much stuff. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like the stream as well. Really does boost the channel. Yeah, man. Then we got the trend gym coming as well. Oh my days. That, if you haven't seen the newest vlog, make sure you go check that out for the new announcement. That is something I'm super, super excited for. So hyped for the gym, bro. Me too. It might be a long time till it actually like is finished, because it's actually a very difficult process to set one up. But nonetheless, it's definitely going to come. The question is when. On the trend gym, man, make it in LA, bro. I wish I could make it in LA. I feel like there's too many gyms already in LA though. I need like a couple milli to make a good one. Whoa. But yeah, look, chat, 10 minutes into the 4-hour close. So you are starting to flip down here. Question is, can we close below, right? That's the most important thing. Essentially, is that closure. You don't want to have, you know, you don't want to not wait for the closure, not get a closure below, and then it end up rejecting and you're in a position already. We really do have to wait here. And like I said, this is a very, very key level on the 4-hour. Very, very key. This means you get free membership for life, having your own gym. Yeah, that is true. That is true, bro. I might not be able to test a new gym next year because I'm joining the military for 6 to 9 months on January, and that kind of sucks. Bro, Levi, that's tough. Is that like compulsory service you have to do? I'm actually kind of jealous of that. I think that's quite cool. I wish the UK did that. Yeah, I actually wish the UK did that. But that's a different topic. Yeah, in Finland, yeah. That's mad, bro. They still have that in a lot of countries, to be fair. Alright, chat. So, obviously, listen, it's Monday morning, right? We've got to be patient here and wait for a setup, but I know how eager you guys are going to be to get some buys here after daily wick entry, right? Just make sure you don't get caught in a trap trying to buy too eagerly, because realistically, you did come up and nearly flip here. Obviously now you've like retraced a little bit, but you did come up close to the flip and you rejected. So it's not necessarily true that we're going to just continue to rip up here and flip on the daily and drive. Like, you might do that towards the end of the week, but right now you could still continue down here, you know? Alright, chat. So the 15 is re-breaking its own high. It's a bit small. Yeah, so you're re-breaking your own high here. Push up a little bit. Obviously, the 30 and everything is still bearish, but you do have no top wick on this 30. So, all we know, right? If the 4 hour comes down bottom wick first, you might see a push up. Fill this wick here. It's a little bit too difficult to take buys right now, obviously, with the structure that we're printing. You know, for all we know, this could be a lower high being formed to continue back down, right? Obviously, we can't take anything based off that. We also do have a rejection level here on the 15 at like 27.34, which you have rejected off of numerous times, right? So I would be careful if you're looking to buy right now off a rejection. After this 4 hour chat, if we don't get anything, I'm going to redo the analysis based off of the 1 hour candle, just because that's the most, you know, important thing is, you know, adapting to what time frame we're going to be looking on. And obviously, after this closure, we're going to have to look on the 1 hour rather than the 4 hour. But yeah, 6 minutes chat. Got some volume in the charts as well, which is nice. Yeah, this is clean chat. Let's see what we do though. The worst thing we can do really is close bearish but respecting, right? You really don't want that. Has a nice on top wick to refill. Yeah, it does. You just need to close like strong bullish on it, otherwise it doesn't make much sense. I've grabbed a lot of liquidity from the upside chat. Right, you grabbed like 100 pips of liquidity from up here. So realistically, it doesn't make sense for us to just rip straight back up unless it's another liquidity grab to come down, right? Okay, 5 minute close in. Bullish, I guess, but it kind of rejected last minute. Interested to see what we do here. I think it's actually going to be a good thing that we've got the 4 hour close an hour earlier, right? You get a lot more decisions here. You get a lot more, you can wait for the 1 hour as well a lot easier, right? We're not having to wait for the 4 hour in the next, like, towards 10 o'clock. You can take trades off like the 30, the 15. It's good. Four minutes chat to the 4 hour close. Five minute flipped, I think, just to hit. Yeah, nearly. So if this does flip, you're probably going to see it continue down, just the way that you're rejecting here. I want to see whether we can close below 32.2 here. That would be ideal. I do have a sneaking suspicion we'll close like somewhere here respecting 32.6 or something. But yeah, let's see. A doji 4-hour close would be very interesting, I can't lie. Do you think this is still a bearish closure though? Like when you see a candle like this, even though it is technically closing bullish at the minute, the way that you've grabbed so much liquidity, especially if you close respecting 2733.5 right here, probably going to continue down. You know, you're a lot more likely to continue down than you are to continue up, right? Just based off the fact that you've grabbed so many orders from up here, there's no reason for you to reject if you weren't going to continue. Yeah, that's the push we were looking at. So 15-minute coming towards a flip. Could be interesting, chat. We could have some potential here, so lock it in a little bit. 2 minutes left. You need like a basically like a 10 pip push for the close. Every news event is basically an hour earlier than usual, which is nice. Might have time to join every NY session now. Oh yeah, that's true actually. Didn't think about the news. Yeah, you're right. I wondered why there was news at 12:15 today. Well, not today. On Wednesday. 12:15 news, which is like weird. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, you're coming super close here, chat. One minute and 20 seconds. Every time we close below 39, we tapped at least 29. Yeah, it's true. But the thing is though, like, you've got a strong level here now. You need to close below it, in my opinion. I can't do anything until we do. The amount of rejections we have over here is just insane. 32 is a very, very strong level. Like, hence why we're struggling to break through it, right? You see, like, we rejected here, 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 over here, tapped into it here and here, here as well, and here. There you go, chat. Look at that push down. Wow. All right, now the only thing we need is a bottom wick on the 1 hour, right? If you close no bottom wick, oh my days. Let me open my broker though really quick. 30 seconds, chat. Lock it in. How are we going to close here? That's the real question. If we wanted a top wick entry as well, I'd probably look somewhere around 27.35 if we could tap up there. Maybe even 27.30. Yeah, let's take 27.34.7. Basically 27.35. Alright, so you close below here, chat, which is good. And you grab a top wick right now. Please. One top wick. Books up here, chat, though, because you still might flip up and make a top wick. Actually a nice closure, just the opening's a little bit tough here. You're struggling to push down at the minute though, like it feels like it wants to decide where we want to go. Just, yeah, see, look, so you flipped up a little bit. Still might push though, it's just that 4 hour open, no volume period making its decision. You will see a pop in one direction or the other soon, I believe. But hopefully you don't want it to break this low, right? You want it to push back up, start to make some structure. Then you can take sells based off the fact that, you know, you're coming back up to make a top wick. With that being said, right, tops get a little bit large. So I would probably need some form of a, we don't deserve a top wick. Why don't we deserve it? Thing is, I can't take sells now, right, based off of the fact that there's such a big stops. Even if you use 1 hour stops, right, it's pretty much the same. It's like, yeah, basically 100 pips. So I need to see either a top wick being made, or I need to see us make a top wick and then flip and close. And once we get that, we'll be able to like probably get, you know, 30-40 pip stops, which is just obviously a lot better, especially once you have that patience to wait for it. You know, it helps a lot. Listen, chat, whilst we're waiting for this position though, stay locked in, but drop a like if you haven't already. Do appreciate that big time. I think, yeah, we can definitely get to 50 likes on this stream right now. Question is here, what are we going to do? If we can continue to push up a little bit here, I know we have grabbed a lot of liquidity on the 4 hour, right? Which potentially means that we don't really need much liquidity to drive back down. The only thing I'm concerned about is we kind of did close like a hammer candle here on the 4 hour. Kind of. So I'd want to see like a push up first and then a closure. But with that being said, chat, you should probably continue down here. You've got room until, well, you do want to drive, and if you actually want to push on the 4 hour, you've got room until 27.19, right? That's your next 4 hour level. But that being said, right, question is, does the daily want to re-break its own low? I think it should at least retest its own low. I want to see some more volume here into the markets. Got an advertisement on TradingView for the German military. They are listening. Insane. They actually are. That's crazy. I would not join the German military though. Alright, it flipped here, chat. You've only got an 8 pip top wick, chat, which is not really enough for me, if I'm truly honest. Yeah, it might drive right now, but I do also believe that we need to probably come up a little bit further here. So what I'm going to do, chat, like I said, is I'm going to wait for a bigger top wick to be formed, and if it's not a top wick being formed, I'm going to wait for some closures here. Maybe on the 15-minute, close below like 27.31 on the 15-minute, to make sure that you are going to continue down here and not reject. Yeah, I'm a bit concerned by the fact that we are struggling to push here. I feel like once you flipped and broke the lows, that should have been your push. You know? It might be, to be fair, but I think we should be gone by now. Raise, good morning, bro. Five-minute closed, somewhat doji here, chat. Next 5 minutes pushing down bottom wick first. This is interesting. Oh, there you go, chat. There's that little push. All right, this is interesting though, chat. There's a lot of potential here, right? A lot of potential. So you are starting to come down towards these lows. If you do break the lows, you might see a push. But listen, no FOMO. We've got to wait for the right setup here. You have to have the perfect setup, and this is not it for me, right? It's not it. Not just yet, at least. It's coming, but not just yet. All right, so you did break the lows. I want to take a look real quick at the 1 hour levels, because I think as well we are very choppy here on the 1 hour. Like you have a rejection area here at 27.30. You also have one here at 30.3. You also have one here at 29.5, right? So, yeah, I mean, look, I do believe you probably should close below. If you do close below 27.31 here on the 1 hour, you should continue to push. But obviously, you don't want to wait for the 1 hour here. I think you could be gone by that point. 27.30 is very clean on the 30-minute as well. Super, super clean. Only got a small area here, but you should be able to push down anyway. Definitely not a bad level at all, to be honest. We can wait to see a closure below there. And then obviously if you do want to look for buys after a retracement, which at the minute I'm not looking for, but it's not invalid, I would say you're looking at anything above 27.35. But see how we're rejecting here now, chat. If you got in buys right there, you would have had maybe what, like 7-8 pips. And now you'd be in drawdown again. You have to understand that that probably wasn't the move just there. We're definitely waiting for something, whether it's to continue back down here or not. We're waiting right now. I need to see some nice structure as well. You've got no volume here. Like this 4 hour candle's opened up with about 10 pips, 20 pips, sorry. It's not much at all. You've got no volume. You flipped here. Yeah, you flipped bullish, chat. Look at that. That's interesting. So we are going to come up here and make a bigger top wick, I think. Most likely. Which is good. You just need to figure out where that area is going to be, right? Yeah, just be careful as well when you're in this range between like 27.38 and 27.19. It's very, very choppy, like super choppy, right? You really do have to be careful here. I'd say probably the best level on the 1 hour is actually this area here, 27.29.5. After that, you do have some clean traffic, but before that, it's very, very choppy in here above 27.29. And obviously, you don't want to get in a position in a range like this when you can reject here, 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 here. You can reject anywhere, right? You have to be very, very careful and very patient right now. You guys are locked in here. I bet someone took those cells. Did anyone see the new Joe Rogan episode? Yeah, bro, that was such a good episode, I can't lie. Bro, it's like so interesting. Really puts like a perspective on everything, to be honest. He exposes like a shitload of secrets as well. Yeah, look at this, 5-minute close, no top wick up here. Interesting. But look, you're coming up now again to make a bigger top wick on the 4 hour. So whether we reject here or not, yeah, I'm going to see some form of a continuation right now. Which is good. Obviously, you might just be grabbing more liquidity, or this could be the push back up. Who knows? We need to wait for the confirmation here. But chat, do you see why we didn't take those sells? You understand that now? I bet when I didn't take them, a lot of people were like, what the fuck? There's a reason behind it, right? There's method to the madness. You have to wait for the liquidity. It's massively important. If we can come up here and tap into 27.34 and then flip, After we do flip and close below, we should be good to get some positions. Just stay patient right now. Unless, chat, the other option is obviously we just want to continue to range here, which is possible, but really not ideal for us. Like, we don't want to be continuing to range. Hmm. 3 minutes left as well, chat, till the 15-minute close. This could get very, very interesting here. Problem is, what's the problem? We broke the lows, right? Looks like higher high, higher low. Yeah, potentially. For me, it looks like a range, to be honest. Like, if you actually just look at the structure, obviously, yes, you started to make higher highs and higher lows like this. And you came down and made some lower lows and lower highs. And then you just made like another higher low, but then again, another lower high or higher high, but then now you've made a lower high. I feel like we're just ranging, to be honest. But realistically, like, yeah, you're going to range between 27.29 and 27.38. So we should come down at least and tap into 27.29. And if you close below, again, 27.19 is your target. 0 news today, not even a yellow. Yeah, that's crazy. You got some Canadian news, but that's it. Good done. Everyone for NY session is 1 hour early. Yeah. Because of the time zone change. Alright, chat. Big rejection here after this 5 no top wick. You now grabbed yourself like a, what? 22 pip top wick? Not major, but it's also a lot better than it was before, right? You're rejecting off the high too. So maybe, depending on how we close here, we can have some potential. Yo, by the way, I tried that magnesium before sleep yesterday. I swear to God, that shit is a game changer, bro. I slept like a baby. The first time in a long time. I think it was raised. You said that, right? But yeah, that's different level. For real, it really works. Bro, unless it's placebo. Yeah, man. But chat, look, 15-minute close here in 48 seconds. If we close below, chat, you might have some nice sells on your hands. At least we can attempt some sells with a tight stop loss, which is important, right? Because realistically, if you can close down here below 27.32, you obviously should fill down towards 27.29. That gives you like 30 pips of range. And then obviously if you continue further, then you're all good. The question is, are we going to even close below? The answer is no. It's fine, chat. Fine, just stay patient. Selling from 27.41. If we come back up to 27.41. Yeah. That's how you close, right? If you build structure as you come up, you're probably going to flip on the daily. But if you just tap into it, then yeah, it's good sales. Welcome though, Johan. But yeah, chat, listen. We stream twice every single day, right? We stream London session and New York session. So make sure you guys are locked in with us. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We've streamed this entire year and we've managed to come out with an 89% win rate. So listen, that's not proof that we're doing something right here. I don't know what is. So stick around. Make sure you come for the education. Come for the vibes. Pull up to learn, not just to copy the trades. And yeah, it's a great community that we've got here. Make sure you join the Discord as well. You'd be stupid not to, right? Go watch the last vlog. Yeah, trust me. That vlog's a movie. W community, yeah, trust me, it actually is. It's actually probably the best trading community I've ever seen. And that's not just me saying that either. A lot of you guys have said the same to me, so I'm not just bragging about my community. But look at this chat. So 15 minutes pushing down here, 30 minutes coming back towards the flip. You can close here on the 30. That's even better, chat. It's way less choppy on the 30. But look, even if you do reject here, what do you do every time, chat? Every time you close below 32, let's take a look. Even when you reject, what do? Close below, tap straight into 27.29. Even though you rejected here, you did the same thing. Same here, right? You close below, straight into 27.29. Same thing here, same thing here. Every time you've closed below, you've tapped that level. Look at it here as well. Tapped it, closed, rejected. That was last night. That was so clean. That closure with no bottom wick. If you caught those buys, if I was awake, I would have been in buys right there. I swear to God. Unfortunately, we were not awake. My internet's so bad today. Keep refreshing, but I'm sure I'm like a minute behind. Oh, tough, bro. What's good, Dutty Bikes though? Welcome, man. Welcome back. There you go, chat. There's that 30-minute flip. Question is, are we going to fill the range before we actually get that flip here? I've been in buys right as we made that previous... Yeah, bro, I know. Trust me. Instantly, yeah. 100%. But look, chat, 11 minutes into the 30 close. So, there's a lot of potential right now. Stay locked in. I'm actually going to be back in 2 seconds. Just give me 2 seconds, chat. I'll be back in a bit. You guys can look at... I don't know what you want to look at. My fucking... Alright, in a bit. Yo! Alright, we are back. So, this could be clean, chat. You got 9 minutes here. Yeah, I don't think anyone expected the gap down, to be honest. Gap down was definitely interesting, but I do think now that you've grabbed a lot of liquidity on this daily time frame, yeah, there's so much potential. If you can flip on the daily today, holy chat, you're going all-time highs, 100%. Or the other option is, right, we'll probably wait until the end of the week, towards like Friday. We'll continue down here, and then we'll flip towards the end of the week, and then you'll see a drive. And Monday open, you'll probably see a gap up. That's what I'd also expect, to be honest. Yeah, I have a question though, right? Why is YouTube not pushing my video to subs? Think about it, right? We have 5k subs and the vlogs are getting like 1k views. How does that work? The indecision between daily and weekly. Yeah, no top wick is an issue on the daily, but again, like, I feel like, yeah, that might be an issue. But once you do get like one closure on the daily, like today, tomorrow, you might see the push up. You know what I mean? Like, that's why it would be towards the end of the week, if anything, in my opinion. All right, chat. 8 minutes into the 30-minute close. If we can close just like this, we'll take some sells to come down and fill this range towards 27.29 at least. And obviously, we'll try and catch some runners here towards 27.19, but that might be a little bit tough. But realistically, like I say, as a minimum, you should tap 29.5 right here. If you don't, then I don't know what to say, but you should do. 5 minute pushing down. Yeah, you made a new high here as well, chat. So all I have to do now is wait for this confirmation. As long as we don't fill the range. Algorithm's absolutely cooked when it comes to trading and stuff like that. Is it? What, should I start doing fucking bullshit stake gambling stuff? Confirmation for buys? Yeah, no, none yet. No confirmation for buys. I need a bottom wick and then a bullish closure probably if I'm going to get buys. I feel like a lot of people are going to get trapped into this feeling of trying to get this flip and trying to get a good entry here. I've seen this happen so many times throughout the years, right? Where the daily will wick down like this and everyone's like, oh shit, it's going to flip, let's get some buys. And then it just never does, right? I'm not saying it won't today, it still could, right? But, you know, a lot of the time people get in a situation where they try and catch buys off of that candle and it just never happens and they get caught out. So when obviously like something like this, right? I think we actually took buys on this candle to be fair, but you know what I mean, you don't want to just be 100% convinced on one direction when it could do either right now. Realistically, this structure is telling me we continue down. I got myself cooked to on those candles like that. Yeah, trust me, it's very easy to do, and you have to sort of. I was thinking about this last night because when we gapped down, I was thinking like, oh, let's try to get some buys, and I had to sort of take myself back and just go, hang on a sec, no, let's not be too eager, you know. Like a lot of the time when it looks so simple and it looks so, it's like too good to be true, right? You don't want to get caught in those situations. I'm gonna fill the range here. It's very tough, but this is the exact play I was looking for. That's exactly what we were looking for just now, chat. But look, what did I tell you? We had to come down and fill that range, right? Also, chat, that trade we took on Friday. Oh my days, that was so clean, bro. So clean. What do we have? 15 pip stops. Close full at like 45 pips. Holy. Yeah, that was super nice. Yeah, that was a nice little 2-to-1 risk to reward trade there on Friday. Even the 15 looks amazing if we close like this. But the problem is, like, you've filled the range now. You don't have much room to come down. You've got like 13, 14 pips. And if we could push up here on the 30 top without a bottom wick, tap into the level, we can potentially get a wick entry, but I think it might be a little bit difficult. You should still tap the level, right? But it's just, you know, whether you want to take a position with that small of an advantage point is a different story. Alright, chat, yeah, push it down here. Yeah, that's a good point Raze makes. Chat, if you want to get a funded account with a big discount, make sure you go over to ACG using the link below and use code SG. You'll get 20% off all funded accounts. You can do the same as well at FTP. You get yourself 20% off with code SG. Yeah, man, make sure you utilize that because obviously you don't want to be paying full price for any of these fundeds. Save yourself some money and then obviously get a cheaper payout. But yeah, anyway, you are pushing down here, chat. Very difficult to trade this. The 5-minute closed and you are starting to, or you closed like 2 minutes ago, but you are starting to push back down after getting a top wick. I expect us to tap into 27.29 before the closure here, to be honest. There you are. There's the tap we were looking for, chat. So now the question is, can we close below the level, which is still valid for me, right? If we can close below 27.29, then you've got room down until at least, say, 27.25, right? You have to close below now. Yeah, look at that rejection, chat. That's what I'm saying. Look at that. You just needed a tap. All it needed right now. Very interesting. Chat, there's so much potential right now though. Stay locked in, stay focused up. This is definitely not your time to dip off. This 30-minute close could bring us something, and if it's not the 30-minute, it will be the next 15 or 1 hour close, right? Because we are starting to pick the direction here. The volume's picking up. Stocks still look good. As long as you can push down here in the next minute and close below, or even if you start to reject, right? If you start to reject and close back above 27.32 now, we can take some bias to continue up as well. Because now you've tapped that point where you most likely were going to reject. No? But let's see here, chat. 1 minute left. You know what gold's like. We like to see some closures below. Like gold loves to do that. It loves to close below in the last 1 minute. Makes that little final push. But yeah, let's see. Obviously, we need to leave a bottom wick as well. You can't just see a no bottom wick closure. Get in a position. Needs a bottom wick here. So you need to pull back a little bit after closing below. Or after pushing below, sorry. Let's see if we can do that right now. I think it might be a big ask though, chat. I think we might have a difficult ask, to be fair. We might have a classic gold closure on our hands. 30 seconds though, stay locked in here. Yeah, 30 minutes clean below 29.5. Break-even point would be somewhere down here, I believe. Like 27.5. It's good tax. Did you leave a wick? Did leave. Oh, okay. Muy bien. You closed like a hammer candle though, so you might see a rejection here. You might see a continuation up. I'm interested to see what we do right now. I think this is not a bad scalp entry. Yeah. No, but I can't say this right now. We're too heavily bearish, right? It's just not my play. But I do know that that play is quite effective. 1 to 3? Bro. It actually would be as well, right? You'd be in here. 10 pip stops, 30 pip TP. I'm not against it. No, look, I can't say that right now. Yeah, we are very, very heavily bearish. You're pushing down with a lot of volume here. I do believe, chat, as a minimum, you are going to see us come down and test these daily lows again. It would make sense for us to do that, right? Unless this is where you push up from. Okay. Interesting. But I know someone who takes this position off the 30-minute hammer candle close. There it is. Good, Matt. Welcome back, bro. Welcome back after your holidays. Cap projection here, though, so you might see a flip down. Let's see. Listen, stay patient, chat. You can tell there's so much potential forming in the markets here. We're definitely trying to set up. Yeah, we're looking to set up here, chat, which is good. So it's coming, man. It's forming. Just be patient. Stay locked in. And drop a like. That's the final step. Step 1, be patient. Step 2, stay locked in. Step 3, drop a like. And then you get an automatic dub, guaranteed. And you have to say the magic words too. Mr. Eugene, what's good? Step 4, watch the vlog. Yeah, true. When are we gonna get an entry? We'll get an entry when it forms, bro. Like, I don't have any entries here because price action is not forming correctly. But listen, there'll be something shortly. Maybe I think within the next like 15 to 20 minutes. Sorry, 15 to 30 minutes, there'll be an entry. In my opinion. The 1 hour should definitely bring you something here. There's a lot of potential. You just literally have to wait because at this point, obviously you see this rejection, right? You can reject so easily here. I've seen it happen in the past, and there it is again. Like, this is actually one of the plays that I've been seeing for a while now. It's very, very clean. Chat, but we are close to 5k subs, you know. We're like 150 subs off, which is not much. I reckon we'll hit that by the end of October. Or maybe not. That's... Oh. Close. It's going to be a close one. Chat, if we hit it by the end of October... I'll give away 10 free hoodies. Bring your family. Bro, the hoodies are being made, but like, I made a little change to them, so it's going to take a little bit longer because they're going to be so much better. I made such a cool amendment to the hoodies. So they're going to be, rather than just being printed on the front, they're going to be embroidered, right? It's going to have like, you know, stitching. Now on the back, it's going to be printed. Yeah, it's going to be so clean. I'm super excited for that. This 5-minute open here. Closed above. Wow. Embroidered massive dub. Yeah, I know, bro. It's going to be sick. One more push and it's a 1 to 3. I know, bro. Yeah, it's insane. That's such a clean position there as well. But no FOMO, chat. We can't take that. It's not a part of our plan, right? Not a part of my plan, if I'm honest. $91 of you in here right now. I appreciate it. Let's get to 50 likes on today's stream. Let's get that. I think, to be honest, this 10 o'clock closure here, so in about 24 minutes here, is going to be clean. It's going to be clean. We'll definitely look to get some positions there. You're ripping up here, though. 7 pip stops. I want a large hoodie ASAP. Bro, you need an XL cutter, I think. Oh. I mean, I wear an XL, right? So, actually, maybe, I don't know. Bro, chat, I bought this hoodie the other day at the gym. Right? It's way too big for me, but it's clean. It's just comfy anyway, and I had no clothes because I went to that trading event and I was literally in like smart clothes, so I needed something to train in. Anyway, bro, I bought I got an XL, and I like tried to put it on and it wouldn't even fit on me, like it was too small and like I couldn't get it over the arms or anything. So then I was like, oh fine, give me a 2XL. Bro, the 2XL is this, bro. It's like a parachute. How is the difference between one size and the other so big? Insane. So when my clothes come out, I'm gonna make sure that they're appropriately sized. Anyway, this is 2XL. I know, bro, it's crazy. How was the event? Bro, it was actually really good. Yeah, it was clean. I vlogged it all, so you'll see it very shortly. I had a trading competition, which I won. Yeah, met some nice people. Did some interviews. Made some content. It was great, to be fair. And then I went to Leeds afterwards, met up with some old friends, trained at the gym. It was sick. It was sick, to be fair. You're pushing up here. The 4 hours coming up towards a flip as well, which is very interesting. Very, very interesting. So, you can close bullish above 27.32 here on the 1 hour. Yeah, we'll take some buys to continue up, right? Because especially with the way that you closed on the 4 hour. Oh my days, chat. That might have been I don't know, the God entry right there. That's insane. That looks clean though. Stay patient right now. Stay locked in. Because look, right, what you want to see is essentially what are we doing here on the in terms of market structure, right? You've pushed up, you've now made it a higher low, you just respected that low, grabbed some liquidity and grabbed a bottom wick actually for it as well. Now if you can close back above here, what you're most likely going to see is a tap into 27.38 as a minimum. That'll be essentially your drive upwards, and obviously if you do decide to drive upwards past 27.39, it's going to come up towards that daily flip. Yeah, strong rejection here, chat. We just need to see how it closes because, and I'll tell you why, this could still just be a top wick for the 15 and the 30, right? So I can't take buys right now. I need the closure because this could, for all we know, just be a top wick like this. And that. Continue back down. Or, obviously, it could just be a continuation upwards. But we have to wait and see, and we have to wait for that confirmation. The 1 hour closing bullish above the level would be a massive confirmation, obviously, right? Be a huge, huge confirmation. So that's something we can wait for. Otherwise, chat, if you flip, then we'll get the sells. So there's definitely a lot of opportunity here either way. Whether it's the buys or the sells, we're probably going to get something here very shortly. Could even wait for a 15-minute close, to be fair. As long as it's above this candle here. I feel like Eugene's speaking to himself in chat. All right, 5-minute flip. Interesting chat. I just realized there's a lot of lines on my chart. Let me clear this up a little bit. I don't want to confuse you all. Right, so yeah, this is our target for sells down here at 27.25. As long as you close below 27.29, right? And then obviously buys above now are going to be up here. Sells below. Yeah, if you do close back above that level, I do believe you're going to push up here. Got the 0.5 on your cam. Ah, bro, I got a fisheye lens type thing. 11mm lens. I guess it's the same principle as the 0.5, right? Whoa. Good Geordie. Good, my bro. Guys, spamming dubs for the algorithm. I like it. What up? What up? How you doing, man? How we doing? So, yeah, chat. Listen, 15-minute closure here in 2 minutes time should give you some, idea of the general direction. Look at the way we've rejected here as well. After tapping into 27.29, exactly as we, expected. Exactly what we were looking for. Every time that you've rejected off this level as well, you have built up towards 27.39. So, can we do the same thing today? Reject off the level and continue up after a bullish closure. I think the option is I think the probability is that we are going to close. Well, I don't want to say that we are going to close bullish, but if we do close bullish above the level, you should really realistically fill up towards, as a minimum, this area here at 27.34. Right? That's our advantage point. That's what we'll look to take, partials out probably. But yeah, 15-minute close coming shortly. Like I said, you need to wait for the confirmation. Yeah, you need to wait for that because otherwise, who knows what's going to happen. You could just reject off this 30-minute top wick and continue back down. Feeling I'm done for London session. What about you? Hey, good stuff, bro. Did you catch anything? Another big update, right? I've been looking at apartments. Found some nice ones. So you might see a whole new apartment tour, or not even apartment, maybe like a house. You might see a new house tour soon. With a new studio and everything. It's gonna be insane. UK, yeah, I think for the minute the UK, especially because I'm building this gym now, I can't really dip off to another country, but eventually the goal will be to get out of the UK. 820 cells. Oh, clean, bro. What do you mean your 820, which is here? Either way, clean. Look at this though. So you are starting to reject on this 5 minute. If you do close bearish here, you're probably going to continue back down. Good structure that we're making here. It's very, very clear. Lower lows, lower highs. Thinking about the moving outside when you announce the gym. Yeah, so that's kind of put a hold on it a little bit, right? Can't wait for the gym to be open. I'll come first day. Yeah, bro. So the plan will be on the opening day, we'll have like a big, I guess, event on. I'll get some food people in. We'll do like all that sort of stuff. Also for the trading guys, we'll do some trading stuff. Yeah, man, I'm excited. 15-minute opened up here, bottom wick first, chat. Well, not bottom wick first, but top wick first and then flipped. You probably see a continuation down here. But the 15 didn't close bullish, right? So that's a very important detail that you have to remember. Again, this 1 hour closure is going to teach you everything. It's going to give you the exact direction that you need in order to, actually decide where price is going to go. If you close bullish, you're going to continue up. If you close bearish below, you're probably going to continue down, right? So you really do need to wait for this. It's very, very, very important. Okay? No FOMO, no rushing into positions as well. Remember, chat, you can't be eager to get into a position because all you're doing essentially is being eager to take a low probability trade, which means if you boil it down to the lowest, to the simplest aspect, you're being very eager to throw your money away. If you're excited to get into trades and you want to jump into trades early, what you're actually doing is you're being very excited to throw your money away. So why would you do that, right? Just wait. Be patient. Be patient. Yeah. I want to do some cool things with this gym. I don't want to give it away just yet. I want it to be very secret, but not secret, but a surprise, right? But yeah, it's going to be sick. Because think about it, there's not many people who are in the position to be able to start a gym or something like this at a young age. Whereas, like, obviously, fortunately, I am. But what that means is that not many people that are my age own gyms, and older people don't really understand what people actually want in a gym. Does that make sense? Like, people that are, you know, like, not 50 plus, what they want in a gym, right? That makes sense? Hopefully I'm going to be able to cater towards like a lot of people who are not old rich people, you know what I mean? But look, 15-minute flip here. How are we going to close here on this next 1 hour candle here in 10 minutes time? 10 minutes time is not long, chat. Yeah, if this 5 breaks is low, you've probably, you know, essentially cemented that this isn't now a high. You're probably going to continue down here, make another low. Be great for us, right? It needs to make a decision here though, chat. This is what normally would be the 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. sorry, 4-hour close as well. But obviously we've closed an hour earlier. So it's going to be just a 1 hour close. But I think the volume should still stay the same, right? You're still going to have a big spike in the volume. Oh, yeah, what's good, Bedge? Good, man. How you doing, my friend? Yeah, chat, 42 seconds here to the 5-minute close. This is going to be interesting. There's a lot of potential here, chat. Volume has died up a little bit, but I do believe it will pick up shortly. Not bad, thank you, brother. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff, chat. So, chat, you got 9 minutes here. The question is, right, if you close in this range, it's very, very difficult for us to do anything. Close within this range between 27.32 and 29. You could realistically push down, you could push up, you could do anything, right? So, we do need to see a closure outside this range. You can't really have anything here in between the two. It's just not really... Okay, there's some volume for you. Yeah, what do we say, chat, right? That's good, though. Look at the structure now. Consistently bearish structure here. So if you can close below, down towards 27.29, we will be clean to get some positions here. 30-minute flip. Even if the 30-minute close is like doji, that would be ideal, to be fair. Video is fire, to be fair. By the way, oh, thank you, bro. Yeah, I appreciate it. Bro, that vlog took a long time to make, so I'm glad you liked it. The next one's going to be even better, but they're just going to get better and better and better. Yeah, chat, I'm super excited. The content's just leveling up. Like nothing else. I'm just trying to make it as good as possible. You know, I haven't really been focused on anything else other than making it just as entertaining as possible. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I wish it was getting pushed to more people just so that you could see it, right? As long as the majority of you guys see the videos, that's all that matters, really. What does that mean? figure out what this means. Alright, look. I don't know, just got that sound in my brain. Alright. Okay. There's a lot of volume here, chat, and it's mostly bearish, right? The volume's coming in and it's making some spikes in, you know, the downwards direction. But, you know, in terms of like pushing price down, which means obviously when you see that, and this is why I think it's very important that you have to watch price print actually when you're sat on the charts. You can't just like come back to it every now and then, because you wouldn't see what's happening. But look, when you're pushing up slowly here, you're pushing up slowly. When you do make those spikes down, it's a big push, you know, like it's a big spike down. Same here, same here, same here. And that actually is an indicator that, you know, you have a lot more bearish volume than you do bullish, which is good. And that shows you another confirmation that you should continue down here. Let's see, this closure is very, very important. You got 6 minutes, chat, which is not long to wait. Not long at all. But look, I'm gonna be back in 2 secs, yeah? Wait up, be patient. Back in literally a couple of seconds. Back. We're back. Has the trade been taken? No, not yet. We're waiting for this closure here. Alright, cool. Good tax. Yeah, so chat, 5 minute closed. Okay, 5 minute closed bearish, but really no bottom wick. Next one's pushing up, top wick first. So there's a lot of potential here, chat. Can we close below? That's a real question here. The worst thing we could do is close like right here, respecting. That would be very, very tough. I've lost so much today. Yo, why'd you lose so much? What happened, bro? What happened Sunday? I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, let's lock it in here, chat. Basically, you need to push down about 5 pips, and you should be good. Not much, eh? I feel like we might close respecting, chat, and that's gonna be a little bit difficult. But let's see, 4 minutes, 3 minutes basically till the close. Are we gonna get the setup that we look for here? I think it's very possible, chat. As long as you're below 2729.5.4, you should be in there, chat. Like swimwear, man. Yeah, there's a lot of potential. 3 minutes. So look, every time you close below this 27.29 area, right, what do? You just got clean traffic all the way down until 27.25. So realistically, you should get a, you know, continuation down. especially now that you've closed without a bottom wick, and now you're retracing and making a bottom wick for that previous candle on the 30. Shows that you're not going to get affected by that. Yeah, purely the only thing stopping us here would be a closure above. But let's see, can we do it, chat? Can we fix it, Bob the Builder style? Let's see. Unless we fill the range in the last 2 minutes. Not what we want, bro. Not what we want. I'd actually quite like to see the 30-minute close like this, like bullish doji. I think that's going to essentially show that we're respecting this level. We're also going to show that we might grab a top wick as well, which would be great. But yeah, 2 minutes. Might actually even be off the rip, chat. Oh, Kata, you said it now, right? That means it's not going to happen. If you said it's for sure going to go for a top wick. Got a lot of bearish volume, chat. That's the one thing I'm thinking about here. Depends how we're pushing as we close too. If you've already pushed up before the close, that's most likely going to be your top wick. Right, like this here is probably most likely going to be your top wick. Depending on what you do. Alright, chat. 50 seconds here. Focus up. Break-even point is going to be 27.5. Okay, we're pushing up as we close. Oh, chat, this might not be good. 6 seconds. Are we going to close above or not? He did close below. Top wick, please. I kind of expected us to make a top wick. Can we make a top wick here, chat? I don't want to go off the rip here. Based off the way we rejected as we closed. We closed above on the 5 too. I want to see a top wick. Doesn't have to be massive, chat. It literally doesn't have to be anything big. Just somewhere, you know, 27, 29.8, right? Give me a 5, 10 pip top wick. Okay, there you go, chat. That's what we were looking for, man. I've got sell stop here on the flip of this candle, chat. Sell stop indeed. On the flip of this 1 hour candle. So, not activated just yet, but that's where my sell stop is. I do believe if you continue down, if you flip here, you should continue down. Other thing I'll look for, chat, is if we do close that top wick on the 5-minute candle, be in some sells off that rip. Let's target down here. Okay, chat. The earlier you can flip, the better as well, right? Break-even point gives us 13 pips. It's not bad. Question is, are we going to flip here and get activated? Let's get M10. How's it going, brother? Yeah, the 4-hour lows could actually be a good target here at 2719.6. Okay. This is interesting here. Camera looking clean. I appreciate it, bro. Good trade. Caught this one too. What do you mean you caught it? I'm not in anything yet. If you caught something, then good shit. But I didn't catch anything just yet. Been off socials for a while. All go, bro. Welcome back. 5-minute no top wick would be clean, yeah. Let's see, chat. You got 1 minute and 39 seconds to that 5-minute close. Realistically, I'd like to flip now or close no top wick, right? You don't want to just be closing above here. Not necessarily bad, but chat, listen, very valid trade here. Let's see if we can get activated. 27.32 caught from there. From there, yeah, good stuff, bro. That's nice. That's clean. I think we got a lot of room to continue down, if I'm honest. Did my signal send, chat? Did Discord get their signal? Yes, no. Yeah, I did. Alright, yeah. What was your screen time on your mobile this week? Got the signal? Yeah, good stuff. Alright, gang. Good shit. Good JD. Yeah, looking to flip here. This could be clean. I don't know what my screen time was this week, to be fair. I got 2 phones though, so like it's split up between the 2. You nearly flipped here, but you actually rejected a little bit as well. I'd like to see the 5-minute closing below. Yeah, not bad. That's not a bad 5 closure. Almost 5 hours average. I know that like last month my average was like 10 hours a day. Let me check. Yeah, listen, drop a like, by the way, if you haven't already. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button and turning the notifications on and subscribing. We have new vlogs out all the time. We had a new vlog out on Friday. Make sure you guys go check that out. It's in the pinned comment. That is an absolute killer vlog. I literally put so much time into that. So yeah, man, make sure we are going and showing some love. Great community here. So much value. Like, it's insane the amount of value this community has. Yeah, so I really appreciate you guys. And look, try and make some money here, man. That's realistically why we're all here. How do I see like last week's? How do I see last week's screen time? I don't think you can see last week's, can you? I don't even know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm locked in here, chat. Struggling to flip a little bit, chat, which is interesting. The question is, do we need to come up and grab more liquidity, or are we going to start to reject? The reason we have it on the flip, right, is because once that candle breaks its own low, you should see that continuation down. I don't see why you wouldn't. Every time you've closed below 27, 29 on the 1 hour, you have continued to push down till at least 27, 25, right? So that's what we're going to look to do here. Let me put my stop loss and TP in just for the Can I do that? Yeah. For the signals so that they know exactly what we're looking at here. Modify. Yeah, lovely stuff. Clean. So. Alright. Yo, SJ have a level at 2782 if you look at the 15. Yeah, the 15's got a minor level there. Yeah, I agree. But I also do think that the 1 hour should take precedent over it, right? That's how it works. Because the confirmations on the 1 hour are a lot stronger than the 15 confirmations. Not a good look. Yeah, chat, look, we are struggling off this level, which is very interesting. You might need to come up and grab a little bit more liquidity before we flip. So wait, yeah, no worries, Dan. No worries, man. Chat, this 5 minute can close no top wick though, we'll be in there. The daily? I know the daily, bro. I know. Look at the 4 hour. I think we're in a range here still. I know the daily closed above, and I know you might get a bottom wick and a flip here. And if it does that, then great. But look, I think we've got more room to come down. And yeah, unless we start to push up here and close above, and like flip or break a high on the 4 hour, trade's still valid for me. On the 5, I'm looking. I'm always looking. Structure looks great. Yeah, it looks good. I want to see it reject though, because like the only thing is you did struggle to break the low here. You actually didn't break the low here, which might be the first indication of a reversal. Looks like a W pattern. Yeah, but it'd have to close above and then form to make it a W pattern. Until it does that, it wouldn't be. Which is essentially just a double bottom, right? But we don't trade that. So I have to stick to my analysis, which is this shit's going to push down, in my opinion. Market structure is telling me it's going to push down. Closure below is telling me it's going to push down. In fact, you got clean traffic. And even if you were to reject, right? Every time you've rejected from this area in the past, tapped into at least 27, 27.5, if not further. Especially with the liquidity that we've grabbed from the upside on the 4 hour, right? You'd expect to see almost the same amount of liquidity being grabbed from below if you were going to push back up, sorry. You know what I mean? You wouldn't grab this much liquidity just to struggle and then come straight back up. If you did that, then fair play, but it doesn't make too much sense. My analysis is this shit gonna push down the goat. Yeah, bro. That's a technical term. It's a technical term, bro. Yeah, chat, look. 4 minutes here to the 15-minute close. We will look to see what the 15-minute close does, though, because if it does close bullish above the level, it'll get a little bit difficult, but it doesn't necessarily invalidate the trade for me just yet. Especially because look at what we're doing now, right? Creating that next high, essentially, that next lower high, especially if you close bearish here on the 5. One thing I would say is, we've got 122 people watching right now, and only 43 likes, bro. What's going on? That cannot run. Let's get to at least 100 likes on today's stream, bro. That's not a trend lines ratio, eh? We do way better than that around here. 5 bearish off Ripski. Potentially if it's below. Pushing down here though, chat. Are we going to get activated or not? The looks of it, the answer might be yes. Depending on how we react at this level at 27, 29. You still seem to be struggling off it a little bit. But look, you made another high, right? As long as this 5 can close, you should be good. Oh. That's an interesting reaction, chat. Is it just a 1 minute top wick, or have you closed respecting there and you're going to push back up? This is something that's very important here. We start to form a level at 27.30, 27.29.5. Then you need to say, okay, hang on a sec. Are we reacting up here for a reason or what? The answer might be yes, okay? Look, I'm still not in this trade, right? So at the end of the day, there's no harm in me just deleting this if I feel like it. But right now, I just want to see what happens with this next closure. So much potential now, chat, though. As long as you can push down and break this low. Once you do break that low, especially if you get a closure down there, there's nowhere it should go other than down, right? Especially since that 1 hour close below. The other thing is also, remember, we see a lot of this nowadays, but we see the 1 hour candle pushing towards the end. Bro, do you know why there was such a big gap today? What's good, Pip Shiesty? Bro, no clue. Absolutely no clue why it pushed down. Unless they know something we don't. Could be based off the Trump stuff. You know, like it could be based off of Trump being like 95% likely to win the election or whatever. You know, banks might be hedging their positions, expecting gold to push down if he gets elected, right? I don't know, it could be anything. It's starting to form a barcode here on the 15 as well, which is not the nicest. You don't want to end up in barcode central. Did the Japan election also affect gold? Maybe. I don't know too much about Japanese politics, I'm not gonna lie. I probably wouldn't try and comment on it because I don't know absolutely anything. But yeah, I mean, it could do. Maybe I should get brushed up on my Japanese politics. Yeah, can we just close bearish on this 5? That's all I really need. Stay confident in this trade. Got 10 seconds till the 15-minute close as well. You look like you're going to close above, right? But you're also not closing like... Okay, and maybe I spoke too soon, but I was about to say you're not closing massively bullish. 5 closed like doji. Okay. It might be the case, chat, that we just end up waiting for another closure here. I do think you can expect to see a push here once you break the lows. Let's see why you wouldn't. Push in, chat. This looks very similar to this, right? I really like this 15-minute closure. I'm happy with it, especially because the 5 made a high. I'm fine with it. If that was the 30, then maybe it'd be a different story, right? But the 30 closed below, the 1 hour closed below. I feel like we're just waiting for a bit of a spike in volume before we do anything here. Gave a top wick first too. Okay, you got some volume here. If you fail to break this low one more time though, we probably will delete. If this doesn't get activated here, I'll probably be out. Look at the 1 hour, like you need to focus on, to Separate yourself. Whoa, did I just get slipped? No, I actually didn't even get activated. Wow, somehow. And now I got activated, chat. There you go. Alright, so we got in sales here, chat. Expecting this 1 hour candle to push down. Do you believe you've got a lot of room here? Should tap into, as a minimum, like we said, 27.25. Or 27.27.5, sorry. This is my stop to break even level. Can we see us break the lows here? Once you break the lows, you should see it pop, right? Yeah, this looks exactly like this did. Did you break the lows? You actually didn't. Not my broker as well. 5-minute closure here in 2 minutes. It'd be really, really nice to see us close below. Can you tap into 27.5, right? That pop hits difference, eh? I know, bro. It actually does. It actually does, bro. Alright, you did break the low, though. So ideally, you want to see us push down straight from here. There you go. That's a little pop. Getting close to the break-even level, chat. Getting close here. I need to see a closure, though, if I'm honest. I want to see a 5-minute closure below. That'd be textbook. Bit of a rejection, that's okay. Once you re-break the lows, it should drive. Let's see here, chat. What can we do? We came about 5 pips off the break-even level here. It looks like it's trying. Definitely looks like it's trying, chat. One more break should do it. Alright, chat, I'm watching this 5 very carefully here. Alright, I'm going to close full on my positions here at 10 pips. I do not like that closure whatsoever. 5-minute close, no bottom wick. So close full there, 10 pips. W for the Monday anyway, just grab something quick off the rip. I would have gone stops to break even, but I think you're going to push up here anyway. I don't like that closure at all. So yeah, close full there. Chat W's. Absolutely clean trade. Even if you rip down a little bit here, I don't mind. I think probably what I've seen when this happens is you're most likely going to get stop break even. So let's see what we would have done. Because either way, I would have been either break even here or close full, right? So if you were going to push up and hit break even, then we did the right decision. But yeah, man, listen, chat. W's start the week nonetheless. Congratulations. I know it's a bit of a small trade, but I have to manage off what I see from price, right? And that's what I saw. We closed full. Grabbed ourselves a win to start the week, and look, clean London session. You stayed patient, you waited for your position, and that's exactly what you were looking for. So W's, yeah, look at this, chat. There you are. There you go. That's our break-even tap. So look at that management. We would have got $0. For the people who say, why'd you close early? Why'd you do, like, you know, why'd you do this? Why'd you do that? We would have got $0 if I didn't close there. So that's why I closed full on that one. I've seen this happen so many times, especially with that push. You're going to tap break even if you run right now, right? We would have been out either way. It would have been 0 or 10. So look, congrats, chat. I had to close there. And listen, that's a great way to start the week nonetheless. Even if it's a little one, guess what? That gets the ball rolling. You got some momentum now. All you have to do now is close the charts until New York. Yeah, we can jump back on very, very shortly. I will play some picks letters now. Listen, if you did enjoy the stream, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new, go and watch that new vlog. The new vlog is out. It's absolutely you know, it's one of my favorite videos I've ever made. So make sure you go show some love on that. Yeah, listen, very, very clean position. Actually, chat, what did I forget to do here? Spam some dubs for me, chat. I forgot to do it, but let me get that started right now. Spam some dubs, please. All right, perfect, chat. Thank you very much. Cool, let's call it then. Literally, look, chat, that's a perfect morning, by the way. That is a perfect morning. You stay and you wait for your position. You wait for it to form perfectly. Guess what? It formed. Look at this, chat. Shit. Big rejection. Clean. That's what you call management, bro. But yeah, chat, look. That's a great morning. Congratulate yourselves as well. You guys click the button, not me. I like the new camera angle and stuff, for real. Hey, I'm glad to hear that, bro. Yeah, it's definitely a lot better than the close-up one. I was a bit slow, 4 pips only. Hey, it doesn't matter, bro. A pip is a pip. All good, Levi. Yeah, I think I probably came out with like 9 or something, 8 maybe, but still, I saw 10, but... Bro, what is this word? What's good, Jar? How you going, man? Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Are you? I miss you too, man. What is this word? Holy chat, look at that. Aren't you glad we escaped, eh? Well, not escaped, but managed. You'd be shitting yourself right now, chat. 1 hour flip. Yeah, listen, man. Have to eat and come back. Yeah, bro, that's the plan. That is the plan. Which event, SG, bro? Oh, yeah, the event. Yeah, I'm sick, bro. So, the event was good. Ended up, bro, I underestimated how long the drive to Manchester was. Ended up getting there about, like, 2 hours left of the event. Like, we were fashionably late. They had, like, a lot of things going on, to be fair. They had, let me full screen cam. We'll have a little chat. But yeah, so they had, you can see me here as well. That's cool. So they had, oh, that is not good, actually, because now you can see my MT5 as well. Just change that a little bit. I guess it's not open right now. I'll fix it later. But yeah, so can you see it on this one? Oh no, you can't. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so they did like giveaways, interviews, all that sort of stuff. They did a trading competition, which was basically just full margin and try and make as much money as possible. Which I ended up winning. And then the prize for that was like 100k alpha account, but I don't trade it, so I give it away to my friend and cameraman at the time. And then, yeah, what else? Oh, they had a race simulator too as well, which was sick. That's quite cool. Yeah, that was quite cool. And then I went to Leeds and hit the gym at my old gym, which was really nice to see. Yeah, it was a great event. It was actually really, really good. I definitely want to do something like that in a little bit, you know. Yeah, I got a missed call just now. All right, wait a sec, chat. So let's finish this off real quick. Finish this off. Oh, that would have been an insane guess. Is it audit? Alright, W. When was this? Like last week, Wednesday, Thursday. No way. Beans nearly just cooked there. What's this though? Can't be beach though, because there's no, like, you gotta think about this one and this one. What's good though, Joe? Welcome, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. SG, you got to stream in 1 hour and 30 minutes, no time to break. I need to finish this off then, so we can go get, so I can go get some food. I'm hungry. What is this word? Deal? Beam? One day that will be beans, bro. Yeah, one day, bro. I want to stop using this word as well. It's fucking annoying. No, I'm joking. Beard? Yeah, that's a good guess, you know. Good shit, Jar. What's good, emergency kills? Yeah, I know that's not a word, but I thought I'd guess it anyway. Yeah, chat, what could this be? Can't be 3. I'm gonna lie, bro, the rejected payout talks is not looking good. Ah, bro, there's always like coordinated attacks and shit. I don't know, I haven't looked into it, but I don't think there's any problem. But to be honest, like this, regardless of the firm, it just, you know, reinforces the fact that you need to be on a live account as soon as possible. Like at this meetup, everyone was talking to me about like, how much funded are you? How much funded are you? I was like, bro, I just traded a live account. They were like, what? I was like, yeah, well, my live account's enough money for me to live off of and like earn decent living. They were like, oh, how does that work? I was like, what do you mean, how does that work? These guys were like, when I won that 100k giveaway and gave it away, they looked at me like, what? They looked at me like, what are you doing? You've just given away a 100k account. I was like, firstly, you know, I get them from ACG if I want them, but I don't take them because I don't trade it. Secondly, like, trust me, like these guys, once you get onto being on a live account, it's just different level. No way, bro. Alright, I'll just do a little speech and then I'll clutch up. Look at that management. Holy shit. NY Open. Now, NY Open's in... NY Open's still in 2 hours, in 3 hours. Still got some time. But listen, chat, yeah, that's going to be it for me today. We took a... Or not for today. I'll be back. It's not 1 hour and 30. Nah, it's not. That's Comics Open, bro. Oh, NY Open. I'm thinking NYSE, my bad. But they don't make money from trading and they're not on a salary. Bro. No, like, not influencers. These are, like, regular people, you know what I'm saying? But they were, like... I think they just work full-time. And they asked me if I was a full-time trader. And I was like, yeah. And they were like, oh, sick. But you don't trade props. How does that work? Chat, look at this 30-minute open. Anyway. Listen. I'll be back for New York stream in approximately... I'll try and be back on in 2 hours' time, right? I'll be on a little bit early. I'll be on 1 hour earlier than I normally am, hopefully. But yeah, listen, chat. I'm going to go get some food. See you guys back on NY shortly. Have a great rest of your morning and see you on the streams later. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye.